it's Amber from Saving Mamacita, and we are back again for another fun, exciting, thrilling, amazing unboxing. One of my favorite beauty boxes to unbox for you is Boxycharm. And I start with the basic box. I think I've received like 4 of these boxes by now, and I will share with you in the comment section the different videos that I've done for Boxycharm, as well as you can check them out at the end of my video. There'll be some links there for you to click on in case you want to check the excitement of the previous boxes. So there are different boxes you can get, but I choose the $25 a month subscription Boxycharm simply because it fits my budget, and I've always been just satisfied with what I received on a monthly basis through them. So I stick with the basic box, but I can tell you what I did this time is I did a little extra shopping. Shh, don't tell. I did a little extra shopping in the add-ons, and with the add-ons you can shop items at a discounted price. So I don't know if they're gonna be in the box with this. I guess we'll find out. So I want to unbox this with you all and you can see what I got. Okay, so it's about to go down. It's about to go down for real. All right, so let's open and see what we got in the May Boxycharm. Oh, for beautiful. I always love the display and how they present their boxes. It is so fun. It looks so fun and spring-like in there. On top, it has the postcard that includes all the items that are in the box. And it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items. And I can tell you right now, there's one item on there that I am going to love. And you guys know, you'll know when I open this up. All right, the first item is Seraphine Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. Look at that. So this lip polish here, a revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crystals into a rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butters to help keep lips exfoliated, silky smooth, and protected. $24 is the retail price on that. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I always love those lip balms and scrubs that have the sugar crystals in them because I love how it feels when it gets your lips exfoliated. So I have some lipstick on right now and I'm gonna just take a look at this here. Oh, it looks like this. It's like a pink. Ah, I love that. I love that crystally feeling on there. I think I'm supposed to wash it off. Yeah, I'm supposed to rinse it with cold water, you guys. This smells really good too. Really good. So the $24 Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. Next up we have Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Let's open that. Look at those colors. Those are so fun. Oh my goodness. It has Plumberry Gold. I could totally see those together. That would be so fun. For sure. So that eye palette is $29, 10 warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finishes. That's gonna be fun to try. I'm not a big makeup person, but this is gonna get me to try some little fun looks for you guys, maybe. Yeah. All right, the next thing we are going to check is, ooh, we got a lip pencil, you guys. Lip pencil. This lip pencil is Gerard Cosmetics, the lip liner of your dreams. That's what it says. Creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting to help complement any lip look. $16 retail price on that. And this is the Night Shift, it's called. Whoa, look at that. That is like a darker color. I don't know. How is that gonna? I don't know, you guys. It's not as dark as I thought. Cool, I will try that on with maybe one of my fun lip colors and experiment that way. All right, next up we have, this is a concealer, Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon for porcelain skin. And yes, I have very, very fair skin. This is $24. You can apply it. Oh, it's stuck inside there. Oh, cool. Okay, so it's like a crayon. How do you work this? Oh, okay. So it is a full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. Ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. So it's a concealer crayon, and you can cover. So basically, I would probably go underneath my eyes here and possibly where some of my acne is and cover it up. This color is perfect for my skin. So I'm excited to try this, like legitimately. I don't have anything like this as far as, I've never used a crayon. Oh, and it has like a magnetic top. Just kind of sucks in like that. Cool, so cool. Okay, so that concealer crayon is $24. $24. And I saved the best for last because I know this logo when I see it. Are you ready for the Holy Grail? Glamglow. This is the Glamglow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I have not tried this one. So basically, you wash your face, apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes, and then tissue off and smooth in any excess. So it's not a mask that you peel off, it's not a mask that you scrub off, it is simply one that you just kind of take off the excess and kind of blend in the rest like a lotion, is what I'm guessing. But I love Glamglow, you guys. I am gonna do this probably in a separate video because Glamglow deserves their own video, you guys. I love Glamglow. I wonder if it's, oh, look at, it smells so good. It smells so good. Berry Glow. And it is kind of like more of like a lotion-y type. See? It's like a lotion-y type. It smells so good too. It smells like raspberries and cherries. So good. So that is $49. $49 in this. You guys, and I paid $25 a month for this. And this $49, $29, $24, $16. We definitely got our money's worth out of this one. You guys, I'm sorry, but I have to say this box is probably my favorite that I've ever received from Boxycharm. They keep on impressing me every month, stepping up their game. But I don't know. You can't beat Glam, you cannot beat Glamglow at all. It's my favorite. So I am so excited. I better go rinse this off now because I know it's not supposed to be on my mouth. So we are gonna try that. And you guys, if you wanna check out Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave a link in my description along with all of the items that are received. And you can check out Boxycharm for yourself. And yeah, let me know what you think. Have you used any of these products before? What do you think? What's your favorite beauty product to try? What do you wanna try? Is there anything that you would wanna try from this box? Yeah, but anyways, you guys, this was so fun, so much fun. So please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more videos, you guys, from me, saving Mamacita, and my buddy Prince. He's taking a nap. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back with more soon. Bye.